Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can hear, my voice is still kind of out, so I'm going to attempt to do this voiceover with the best of my abilities. But y'all can see my kitchen is a mess, so let's just jump right into it. So I had some alone time. My husband took my kids to my mother-in-law's house and they all stayed over there and just hung out. And I stayed behind just so I could, kind of clear my head a little bit and just enjoy some mom time. And what better way to enjoy that than to clean your kitchen? And I know that sounds so weird to some people, but honestly, I have found, as of late anyways, I have found so much joy in cleaning. I don't know if it's just because it's like nice to keep yourself busy and keep your hands working, or if it's just strictly because I feel like when all of our spaces are clean, it just, I don't know, it just puts my soul at ease, really. So I was actually looking forward to cleaning the kitchen, even though it was a pure disaster. I got this bamboo drying rack off of Amazon, which, by the way, I will link it in the description box if you guys want to buy it. But I finally decided to put everything away that I've had on it and just go ahead and put that away as well, because lately I've kind of been using the drying rack as an excuse to not just be lazy and not put all my dishes away. So I made up my mind when I first came in the kitchen, I was going to fold it up, put it away, and then I was going to dry any dishes and put them immediately away that I had to hand wash. So you'll see that later on in the video, me actually hand drying my dishes. I'm just trying to be a little more disciplined, because that drying rack is definitely an easy way out for me, just to let it collect dishes over the week and be like, oh, it's fine, they're drying, I'm just going to leave them there. So I'm trying to be more diligent. As I'm sure you can tell here, I have music on and I love to dance when I am cleaning. That is just music is just one of the things that I have to have when I'm cleaning. It just really puts me where I need to be. And so when the kids are home, I usually have my headphones on. I will actually link those in the description box too. They were like $20 and they're the overhead, headphones. My ears are very small, so the small ones just don't work for me, like the earbuds. But anyways, I love listening to music when I'm cleaning. It just helps me stay motivated. So that is something that I always need just to keep going. But my question to you is, what is one thing that you have to have that puts you in the right headspace for cleaning or just getting things done in general? I would love to see your answers in the comment box. Let's talk motherhood. So one of the things that I always say on this channel is that if you are looking for anything, homemaking, homeschooling, and motherhood, you have come to the right spot. So I think often people think that motherhood or homemaking, that's all the same thing. It's cooking, it's cleaning, and it's taking care of kids and that. But I feel like, to me, at least in my experience, just even in the past month, motherhood is just really sitting with yourself and reflecting all the times, from growing up until you became a mother. To me, that's motherhood. It's really just sitting inside of your soul, working on those things, looking at yourself and how you mother, how you parent, how you interact with your children, and how they interact with you. I think it's a lot deeper than just what we see on the outside. Getting up in the morning, taking your kids to school if your kids are in public school, or homeschooling your kids, or getting them dressed. I feel like that's basic. That's just taking care of their basic needs. But motherhood is taking care of your own needs so that way you can be better at taking care of your kids' needs, if that makes sense. Because I feel like if you're not taking care of yourself, if you're not really making sure that you are in check, then how can you do that for the people that you love? I don't know. That's something that I've just been very much reflecting on lately, like really asking myself, what is motherhood? What does it mean? What does it mean to me? And what do I think other people think motherhood is too? Even when they look at me, like, what do they think that I think it is, I guess, if that makes sense. That was a lot of thinking there. But so my question to you, here's another question for the comment box. What do you define motherhood as, and what does it mean to you? And is it something that you even have really thought about? I've been trying to be very intentional with drinking water because if you ever meet anybody that I know or meet me, you will know that water is like my struggle. I struggle real hard with staying hydrated, so I've been trying to be very intentional with that. And everybody's been sick in the house, so I decided I'd have some immune and stress tea. If you have not had it, it's really good and it's super pretty. It's like real purpley. You'll see when I pour the water in the glass. But this night was just amazing. Even cleaning the kitchen, I was able to like clear my head, have time for self-reflection, dance a little bit, have a great shower, have some tea. I read a little bit. It was just a really good night. And I feel like this is something that I should do more often because it helps me reset myself. I know I've done plenty of videos of resetting the house and resetting the schoolroom, but I think as a mother, we forget that we have to reset ourselves, because if we are constantly in a jumble, we are never going to be what our children and the people that we love need us to be. So rest in yourself, mom. Honestly, it's necessary. And I hope you guys have a great night. Thank you again for checking out my video, cleaning with me. Don't forget to hit that bell. I post 2 to 3 times a week. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Bye.